We're here on site this morning in Malvern with the team from Passiframe, getting ready to pour the concrete into their Isoquick base. The slab has been prepared. It's been a couple of days since we were last here doing the insulation. The damp-proof membrane's gone in, steel reinforcement. So let's go and have a look at how everything's shaping up, ready for the pour. The screed rail is supported on a threaded bar, and on the top of the threaded bar is a small U-shaped slot. If I lift the bar, you can just see it there. That is fixed into a block of concrete which acts as the spacer for the bottom layer of reinforcement. So it's quite easy to set those rails up millimetre perfect across the slab. You can see it running across there, and that will act as the screed rail. So once the pop-ups have all been sealed neatly, everything's airtight, watertight, the threshold support is secured in place. The damp-proof membrane runs underneath the threshold support, and then it's taped into place to make sure A, it won't move, and B, it's going to be airtight later on. And you can see all the fixing bolts ready to be cast into the concrete, so that won't go anywhere once it's cast. It's 8:10 now, everything's set up and we're about to start pumping. One edge, the roller strike is being supported on the Isoquick edge insulation, and in the middle it's being supported on the screed rail that you can see running through the slab. So we've got a 6 metre bunion striker there, which means they can do the whole slab in just 2 passes. So half an hour after the first load started, we're on to the second load. Both bays have been roller striked, a little bit of tidying up around the edge. And here comes the second load of concrete. All of the pipes and ducts have been trimmed and cut so they finish just flush lower than the edge of the concrete. You can see that there. That means when the boys run the roller striker across the top, the pipes and ducts won't interfere, but they can come back while the concrete's still green, remove the cap and extend the pipe. So at 12:30, that's the last of the concrete in. The boys are just finishing off the levels, making sure it's all nice and smooth and tidying up. A job well done.